So I'm outside playing in the snow, and I made a snowman. It's Mr. Frosty, even though he's looks like that. But check out sunset behind me. And they said it was gonna snow, but I said I wouldn't believe it till I seen it. But there it is. Da 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 da. I made a snow angel, but I tested it.